everybody.
So we're headed to Aqua. That's one of our newest sponsors for Race Armada Texas Poker Run 2020. It's our 5th year anniversary of doing Poker Run, and it's an event for all of the Houston community. Every click, every shop, everybody comes. We're all one united group of automotive enthusiasts, and it's wonderful. So today we're going to one of my old buddies' place, Kevin, who owns Aqua and Car Wash in Montrose.
How long have you been going to Aqua? You've been going there for a long time.
Since it went in the ground in 2014.
Oh wow, so is Rachel. Rachel's been using them too.
Yeah, a lot of our Race Armada people, they know Kevin and they've used his place before. He does great work. It's all hand washes. So for those that have really nice vehicles or a car that they really love and take care of,
Totally reliable.
you can count on it.
What are they off? Montrose?
Montrose and West Dallas.
Okay.
So anyway, we are going to need to clean up this old bag. Second, we need to go and talk.
And my butt's wet. I spill water.
When you spill water in the AC seats, that's amazing.
Sorry.
My excitement.
I'm sorry.
So the other thing that we're going to do is discuss anything that pertains to how they're going to work in our event. One thing that we do know is that there will be a Friday night kind of pre-wash to get the cars all ready.
Which is really great.
Which is great. Of course, everybody wants to look good, and we have our RATX Awards by Chassis Fab that is for Best in Show prior to the run. We judge it prior to leaving. Obviously, all the cars get dirty, but this is where Aqua comes in again. They will be at Le Berge on the top floor of the parking garage with a tent set up to do mobile detailing and get the cars back to their clean condition, just so it's extra fun for everybody. Obviously, they know everybody's car. They want there to be clean. These guys are the people that I would recommend. I've been doing work with them for some time.
We'll have details on like pricing or however they're going to do it. And we also wanted to ask y'all, we Poker Run shirts like we do every year, but since we have a baby now, we want to do
Baby gear.
yeah, like a little onesie or something, but we can't figure out like what to put on it. We need something really clever for the front of it, not just like RATX. Like I want something, I don't know, like funny.
Yeah.
Yours wasn't that good.
No,
What was it? What was it?
We Poker Runner. I don't know. There's all
doesn't
we
make
Rally Life. Let's come up with something
Yeah,
fun.
we need something to put on it because we can't think of anything. But I just want it to be really clever.
The one that wins will end up shipping you either a free shirt or
Yeah,
something
or a
like
baby
whatever
onesie if
you
you have a
want.
baby.
If you have a baby, you get the onesie. Just picked up the CLS from Imperiale. It's amazing what two little things can do to a car to make it just so much more fun. And in this case, all we did was tire stickers from TireStickers.com and a rocker panel vinyl stripe that was done by Underground Graphics, our Poker Run sponsor, graphic sponsor. Highly recommended. Of course, what makes rallies so fun is getting to dress up your car. You get to, like, you know, suit up for the ball or something. Anyway, so just these two things, which I'm not even complete yet. I'm not even done. I'm not even near done. I already love this car so much more again. It's such a blast. It looks so ridiculous. A four-door saloon, coupe, whatever they call this thing. It looks crazy. It just looks nuts. It looks like you're in a race car in a weird way. And it definitely makes me want to drive it, that's for sure. Anyway, yeah, so tomorrow we're going to be at Car Culture. Can't wait to see you guys tomorrow morning. ambassador for the automotive car culture. It's probably where we got the term. But there's been such a great rapport with this gentleman. I've known him since, I guess, about 2015. I have nothing but great things to say about him. He's throwing some of the best boutique events. And by boutique events, I mean like it's not like a massive scale event like a Cars and Coffee kind of thing. It's more like Saks Fifth Avenue. It's more like the Gables on Upper Kirby. These guys have always hosted some of the best exotic car gatherings because they know what exotic car owners expect, and more than that, they know how to make sure that the event goes off without having the big problems that some of the bigger guys, such as Cars and Coffee, no disrespect to them, they've definitely hosted some great events, but when you have massive events like that, your control obviously diminishes. Nevertheless, Anthony's done a great job, and as a matter of fact, he's one of the only guys right now that I know of that's hosting a prominent exotic car event. So this morning, we're going to go up there and check them out. I'm actually up here at Starbucks and I already see 5 exotic and touring cars here in the parking lot waiting to stage up with their friends to roll in. I know I'm waiting on a couple buddies of mine. We're going to all roll in about maybe 10 deep or so. Anyway, I'll have some content for you here shortly. Thanks for watching our ATX TV.